In question number 11, well, the directions tell us each given function is a transformational function g of x equals a f, that just means the function, so a times the function, b, which will be next section, x minus c, in parentheses plus d, where f of x is x squared. Describe how g of x compares to f of x, then use the coordinate notation, so coordinate notation is just a rule, to represent how a, c, and d values are transformed f of x to generate g of x. So let's look at question number 11. I noticed that there's a number in front. And I'm trying to, the reason why I'm kind of zoomed out so you can see kind of like the notes we took, the a value in number 11 is negative 0.75. What does negative value mean? Well, that reflects it over the x-axis. Reflect over x-axis because it's a negative. Also, what does it do? That number is between the absolute values, so if you just take away the negative sign, this number is between 0 and 1. So you're going to have a what? Vertical compression. And you'll have a vertical compression by a factor of 0.75. In this problem, you also have a number on the outside. Everyone say outside? So the outside, it's a negative 2. So what do you think is going to happen to it? This is a review. Negative value means it's going to go down 2. So shifted down 2 units. And then the last part here, it says plus 4. Now pay attention. I'm going to write this. This is a review. We learned this actually last section. This is really x minus negative 4. And really, the negative 4 means we're going to go which direction? Left. Shifted left 4 units. The reason why it's going left 4 units, remember the silly phrase I have, add to x, go west? Well, you're adding to x here. This is going up 4 units. The d value is adding to y, go high. Well, you're not adding here, you're subtracting, so that means down 2. Remember, g of x is another way of saying y. So, to create our rule, you're going to put your c value, which was in pink, here. So here, my new rule becomes x minus 4. Your a value, which was in yellow, that affects our y values. So that'll become negative 0.75. And then our orange value also affects the y values, which they are minus 2. So in this problem, basically in words, I'm telling what's happening to the graph. And then the rule that I'm creating can change my table of values.